My name is Mitchell, and for my 2023 co-op, I was with Crowder Construction out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Uh, as a mechanical engineer by school terms, stepping into the project engineering position was a little uh, out of the normal, I guess. Um, a lot of construction management engineers would typically take that position, but I felt like I wanted to step outside of the box and see what any the other fields might would have to offer, and to find out that in project engineering, there's really all types of engineering backgrounds within the field that are more focused on certain aspects of the construction, like the pipe or the concrete or the rebar that's used to create the structures. So it was interesting to see what the different disciplinaries that were actually on site. Um, Pretty much as a PE, you play a critical role in procuring items for all the guys out in the field. Anything from uh, saws to concrete to cranes, anything that they may need to ensure that the job is done quickly and correct. Um, it's just pretty different on a day-to-day basis, and then you'll be out in the field seeing how all the progress within the project and everything like that. Uh, a lot of times I would find myself creating spreadsheets like the one shown here. This one in particular um, was based off of like pipe that was being ran in different structures, and it had to be a certain material, a certain length, and trying to figure out how many linear foot that you would need for the ground pipe and stuff like that, and then trying to estimate the price total for all of that as well. So doing spreadsheets for item procurement was a big part of the job. Another thing that was really crucial about project engineering is the teamwork. You really need to communicate with your team and the vendors to be able to really understand what's next in the project, especially just coming in and not really having any experience in that field. So the communication was a huge part of making sure the job was successful and being completed on a timely manner. Um, we even communicated with the owners of the facilities and even the design group that we had um, create the drawings for us. Uh, and relationships is a big part as well. It goes hand in hand with communication. Like these companies shown here played a pretty big role in item procurement and being able to provide the field work guys with the tools and materials that they need to get the job done. These are some here's some pictures of some of the heavy equipment that you would see on the site on a day-to-day basis, like some of the larger cranes and excavators and concrete trucks. And I knew nothing about any of this equipment really before this project engineer position, and it's really cool seeing how they operate and everything that goes into each little piece of the project.